Here's what happened. EMX125, race 1, presented by FMF Racing here, Uddevalla, Sweden, the penultimate round. Flying start for Max Werner, who's third in the championship coming into this weekend. Through the second turn, though, the pole man in the fluorescent orange, Guillaume Newsom, briefly got himself in the second. Escandal was third, but Valin going from fifth to fourth to third, and eventually into second in the space of the first 3 corners. He came into this weekend 31 points off the championship leader Escandal, and Francisco Garcia tagged bars. Garcia went down, took Fredso and a whole bunch of other riders with him. As Yanis Weisslich, the championship leader, goes into third place, and he squeezed past the Dutchman Guillaume Dunsen. Next man on his list was the main rival in second in the race, second in the championship, who got held up there, Matis Valin. Weisslich ran the outside to take that second place, and then a lap later, on lap 3, found his way past Max Werner to take over the lead. Valin then capitalised on a short jump from the German as he moved into second a lap later on lap 4. And then Víclav Marek getting the better of Marcus Oslins. He'd already found his way past Noel Zanox, and that put him up into 7th position. Zanox, though, responding. A few laps later, regained a position from Marek. Zanox went on to finish in 6th place. No one a match for Yanis Weisslich, though. 10.9 seconds clear of Valin, with Werner third, Dunsen 4th, and Henderson 5th. Give you the official results then. A win for the night time this year for Yanis Weisslich as he extends his championship lead over Matis Valin. Max Werner was third, Guillaume Dunsen 4th, Casimir Henderson 5th for the rider from Finland, then Noel Zanox, the Hungarian, Víclav Marek, Elias Escandal, Nikolai Skjovberg from Denmark, and then Julius Mikela in 10th. Then we had Marcus Oslins, Simone Mancini, Francisco Garcia, Richard Part of Estonia, Salvador Perez, Adrian Bolviken, Carlos Salvador, Duran van Mechelen, and Mano 4, with Freddie Bartlett getting into the points in 20th place.